Welcome to this exciting lesson on diversity of the living world. Have you ever wondered how scientists identify and name the millions of species on Earth? In this video, we'll explore how living organisms are classified, the significance of binomial nomenclature, and the rules behind scientific naming. Get ready to simplify your learning with easy explanations, key points, and memory tricks. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: The Living World. The living world is immensely diverse, comprising millions of organisms that differ in form, function, and habitat. Scientists classify organisms to systematically study their characteristics, evolutionary relationships, and ensure a universal naming system. The branch of science dealing with classification is called taxonomy. Key characteristics of living organisms: growth, increase in size and mass due to cell division, e.g., a baby growing into an adult. Reproduction, the ability to produce offspring, may occur sexually, humans, animals, or asexually, bacteria, fungi. Metabolism, sum of all biochemical reactions occurring in an organism, example, digestion, respiration. Consciousness, awareness of the surroundings and response to external stimuli, for example, plants bending toward sunlight, humans reacting to pain. Cellular organization, all living beings are made of cells, which are the fundamental units of life. Diversity in the living world. The Earth is home to approximately 1.71.8 million identified species, but many remain undiscovered. Biodiversity refers to the variety of living organisms found in different ecosystems. Organisms are classified based on their similarities and differences, leading to a systematic study. Taxonomic categories. Organisms are classified into hierarchical categories, known as the taxonomic hierarchy. The figure below describes the taxonomic hierarchy with an example. Organisms are classified into hierarchical categories, known as the taxonomic hierarchy. Kingdom, largest category, example, Animalia, Plantae. Phylum, division, groups organisms with similar characteristics, example, Chordata for vertebrates. Class, subdivision of a phylum, example, Mammalia includes mammals. Order, groups related families, example, Carnivora includes dogs and cats. Family, groups related genera, example, Felidae includes lions and tigers. Genus, groups closely related species, example, Panthera includes lions and tigers. Species, basic unit of classification, individuals that can interbreed, example, Homo sapiens for humans. Taxonomic aids. Herbaria, collection of preserved plant specimens used for research. Botanical gardens, institutions that conserve and study plant species. Museums, preserve animal and plant specimens for education and research. Zoological parks, areas where animals are kept in naturalistic conditions for study and conservation. Taxonomic keys, tools used for identifying organisms based on their distinguishing characteristics. Nomenclature and classification. Binomial nomenclature is a universally accepted system of naming organisms using two names, genus and species. Example, the scientific name of humans is Homo sapiens. Carl Linnaeus introduced this system in his book, Systema Naturae. ICBN, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, and ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, regulate naming rules for plants and animals. Rules of nomenclature. Scientific names are in Latin and written in italics or underlined when handwritten. The genus name starts with a capital letter, while the species name is in lowercase, example, Felis catus. The name should be binomial, two words, and must not duplicate existing names. Names should be universally accepted and follow the guidelines set by ICBN for plants and ICZN. For animals, if a species is discovered again under a different name, the first given valid name has priority. Importance of classification helps in studying organisms systematically. Identifies relationships between different species. Simplifies the understanding of biodiversity. Assists in predicting characteristics of newly discovered species. Life is characterized by growth, reproduction, metabolism, cellular organization, and response to stimuli. Organisms are classified into a taxonomic hierarchy for systematic study. Various taxonomic aids help in identifying and preserving organisms. Binomial nomenclature ensures a universal naming system for all species. Nomenclature follows strict rules to ensure consistency and avoid duplication. Key formula: Binomial naming equals genus plus species, for example Felis catus for cat. Quick tip. Remember the taxonomic hierarchy using the mnemonic. King Philip came over for good soup. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe us for more videos.